Bafethu lona nguNhlamulo Sambo waseGiyani kwisadi laseLimpopo. He was only 19 years old, younger than my own daughter. Kuvele into yoba kuthe kubhizi kumatshwa eWestern Cape kwisadi laseMossel Bay. Wahlatywa watshona. Ndazama ukuyinambitha lento. Kwavela into ethi ke kwaba khona uxambuliswano oluthile waze wahlatywa watshona. Kuthe kungephi ndadibana nevideo kamama wakhe, ndambona umfazi osenhlungwini. Ndicela ukugqithisa into ethi beke sesemncinci. May his soul rest in peace. Kubhlungu bafethu. Condolences to the family. Angange ndiyithatshe into yakhona because ndiyendaba nayo into ethi ndiyarhalela ukuva from kwisadi lamapolisa ke ngoku into ba bazathi kwenzeke ntoni. Because bendingayiva ncam yona. I did not touch on it. Abuyile bafethu amapolisa nento ethi ukuhlatywa kwakhe, ukutshona kwakhe had nothing to do with iMarch and March. Had nothing to do with i-protest. Had nothing to do with iMarch ibisenzeka eMossel Bay. Kukhona nalapho bengike ndadibana khona nestory esithi bebekelele engathi wafikelwa ngabantu bafike bamhlaba ya. Istory sakhona nje. So ikhona into engathi njalo. Amapolisa ayidismissile lonto leyo. Bafethu, ndicela into banazi le ayoyo yokuqala, le ayoyo yokugqibela apho bezazama khona ukungcolisa lento esibhizi ngayo. South Africans, by now I would like to honestly believe into yoba sesiyabazi indlela abasebenza ngayo. Enye basezawuzenza nezinye izinto bazame ukuziphina kwabantu, bazame ukuziphina kwezi organizations singavumi. Masingafufi nomoya, masingafufi nje nento edlulayo. South Africans, kuvele into yoba ke kwaluthwa kwisadi lase-Escort. Bafuna ukuyiphina kwiMarch and March. Yavela into ethi hayi ngabahlali ebebekwatile after icourt iye yathatha isigqibo esingakange sibe mnandi kubahlali. That did not necessarily have much to do with iMarch and March. Kuyabuya kuvela lena zisezaba khona bafethu into esizawuphinde zibe zenzeke ezinye zibe deliberate bezenze ngamabomu just in the name of ukudenta lento esibhizi yiyo. Ndicela nivula amehlo South Africans. Ningasaqhathwa zinto ezingasile because le into bese ndiyibona futhi lapha ku social media into yoba ifuna ukusidivide. Bese ndiyibona pha ku social media into yoba because ngumtsonga ne bese ikhona into ethi from kwiside lamatsonga into yoba okay so that means yonke lento iyi-enemy yamantsonga. Yonke lento lena, does this mean now mabahambe bephethene nama-IDs wabo yonke lonto leyo bezama ukuprova certain individuals right? South Africans, ndicela ningahoriswa ngenyoka ezifile right now. Baseza sihorisa, baseza sithembisa ngento yoba abantu bazabanjwa. Nize ningahoxi. Inde gqithi indlela esenihambile. I am very disappointed ebantwini abathe xa kuvela lento already bafuna ukuyisebenzisa against lento esibhizi ngayo. Ndizawufaka bafethu ileta apho kunama details we-family because even i-family bike discourage indaba ukuthi abantu babe misinformed. Bekhona nalapho ke ngoku i-family isithi icela khona izandla. Ingathi even i-account numbers zikhona kule leta ndizayifaka apha ekugqibeleni. Basezofuna bafethu into basiqhekeke, basezofuna ukusidivide ze singavumi. Yalani ngeziqhuzeni. I was very disappointed even ukudibana nabantu ababeke nini singekali nokulwa ke ngokuthina babelwela yona lento. Ndadibana nabo sebesithi bazoprotectana nabantu bokufika. Ndathi njani ukuthi kwabona at some stage babecula eliculo. Ze ningavumi ngesizwe sokhokho benu South Africans. South Africa is not for sale. May Nhlamulo Soul rest in peace. Ebesesemncinci gqithi kakhulu futhi. Sengathi ifamily ingafumana indlela yokuthi ibophe amanxeba.
Sawubona Mbukeni, nangusisi ekhuluma ngodaba laNhlamulo Sambo. Insizwa edlule eCape Town kuthiwa hayi ibulewe iMarch and March. hhayi ibulawa amaZulu, hhayi ibulawa amaXhosa. Hhayi seyihlukanise phakathi-ke manje iNingizimu Afrika le nsizwa. Impela laba abazibiza ngamaTsonga, hhayi bavuka injebovu bathi ayikhona. Le nto le yokusukuma ngeke amaTsonga abulawe umuntu kade afunwe i-ID. Kanti isitatimende esivezwa amaphoyisa sithi hhayi, insizwa le ingene emkhukhwini wenye indoda ngaphandle kwemvume ihamba nomngani wayo. Yase-ke iphunyuka lapho-ke umphefumulo wayo, igwazwa uye lo mlisa lo osagcwele amathafu ongasiwo. Mbukeli, akubeke lwakho uvo la ukuthi uthini ngalolu daba. Siphinde sihlangane evidweni elandelayo. Bye bye.